What's up, guys? Learning with Rich here. Let's continue our discussion about Navisworks 2022. Okay, so this time around, let's talk about the compatible CAD applications. Okay, so for you to be able to know what are the compatible CAD applications that you can open in Navisworks, so all you have to do is to go to their website. Okay, just open up your Navisworks Manage and then press F1. So let me just quickly show you. So I already pressed F1 and here is the compatible CAD application. All right, so this is the one. Okay, so as you can see, there's a lot of CAD applications that you can open directly in Navisworks. So the first one is Autodesk AutoCAD. So that's the file format. And then again, DWG. So you also have Inventor, Civil 3D, MDT, have no idea what's this. So Revit, so you can open that. So all the Revit, 3D Max, Maya, even Bentley products, Graphisoft products, especially ArchiCAD, AceCAD, AEC. Okay, so you just need to browse this one for you to be able to know what are the CAD applications that you can open directly in Navisworks Manage 2022. Okay, so this is the supported CAD file formats. So how about laser scan file formats? So let's open up this one and let's have a look. So these are the laser scan file formats that you can open in Autodesk Navisworks. So first one is ASCII laser file, Leica, and Autodesk Recap. And then these are the extension. So note, native Trimble file format is not supported. To open your file in Autodesk Navisworks, convert it into ASCII laser file format first. Okay, so there you go. So these are the compatible CAD applications that you can open in Navisworks. And also, if you go to Navisworks, and then if you open, you click the icon open, and then you click the file subtype drop-down arrow. So you can see here all the extension files that you can open using Navisworks. Okay, so there's a lot. All right, so that's it for this topic. So hopefully you learned something from this video. In our next topic, so what we are going to do is let us explore the user interface of Navisworks 2022. All right, so thank you for watching, guys. Have a nice day.